say they are worried about the safety of the COVID-19 vaccines and their health. They say there is not much education on whether it is appropriate for them to take the COVID-19 vaccines, considering their HIV status. At an HIV/AIDS conference in Accra, they ask authorities of the Ghana Health Service to come clear on the vaccination procedures for the vulnerable.
The HIV/AIDS conference, organized by Actionplus Foundation, discussed the impact of COVID-19 on persons living with HIV/AIDS. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, persons living with HIV have raised some concerns, including shortage of drugs and job losses. They say the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic worsened their plight, especially during the lockdown, as a number of them did not have access to their drugs because they had to stay at home. Apart from stigmatization, which is an old age problem, they mentioned that education on HIV has declined, with social exclusion against persons living with HIV on the increase. A member of the persons living with HIV in Ghana was not happy about the sensitization drive on the COVID-19 vaccination program rolled out by the Ghana Health Service, especially on the safety of persons living with HIV. Madame Faustino Kansi shared her experience on how the overconcentration on COVID-19 campaign protocols affected her.
If somebody is HIV positive, they should rather show care and support. As I speak right now, we have a support group which is meant of people living with HIV, and we meet on monthly basis. And during our meetings, you hear a lot of challenges from the members.
Speakers at the conference took turns to educate persons living with HIV on how to keep healthy and also avoid contracting COVID-19. The chief executive of Actionplus Foundation, Apostle Fred Enin, said the campaign and energy invested in the prevention of COVID-19 should also be channeled to that of HIV.
You know how children, when they reach the teenage age, how they are fast-tracking their appetite. And they are also getting infected all the time. So we realize that we have to move on, make sure that we get these children to understand that, like Fosti was saying, that HIV is not a respecter of persons. So it's the same at your age.
The foundation prayed for them and also made a presentation of assorted items.